Is the Add Ingredients light stuck on, even though everything's locked and ready? If your Ninja Swirl won't move past that prompt, here's what to check before assuming it's broken. Step 1. Make sure the swirl press is fully retracted. If the swirl press didn't reset after the last cycle, the machine thinks you're still in the add-in stage. Unplug the unit, wait 60 seconds, then plug it back in. It should auto-reset the press. Step 2. Confirm the lid and handle are fully locked down. The machine won't continue unless all parts are aligned perfectly. Remove the bowl, reattach the lid with a firm twist, and press the handle down until it clicks. Step 3. Check for jammed or frozen mix in the nozzle. If add-ins or hardened mix are blocking the swirl path, the machine may not detect the reset. Disassemble and clean the nozzle and swirl press thoroughly before retrying. Step 4. Try selecting a new mode and canceling it. Sometimes cycling through a different mode, then canceling it, helps clear the stuck light. It's a quick way to force a software reset without unplugging again. Step 5. Avoid packing add-ins too densely. Large chunks or tightly packed mix-ins can jam the swirl press during retraction. Next time, add mix-ins gradually and never exceed the max fill line. If the light still won't turn off, your swirl press sensor may be misaligned or failing. You'll find the Ninja support link in the description for help with part issues. If this helped you get unstuck, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance fixes. And if you're cleaning out gummed up ingredients from the nozzle, we've linked a food-safe cleaning brush set in the description that makes it way easier. Thanks for watching, and swirl smart.